Alright, so I'm using the Yukon Gold Basil cardstock, and I set apart that cut-apart sheet. It's the Maggie Holmes Marigold cut-apart sheet to cut a card from it. And I'm going to use these two patterns. Let's see here. No, of course, my cube that has my water is over there. Man, I gotta do some soup. Man, I've got stuff thrown in. Oh, hey Coco, you're still waiting on me, baby girl. We're gonna go. I know you're waiting on. I'm doing my last two voiceovers right now, Coco, and then we'll go. I'm sorry, should have been done 2 hours ago, but I was trying to find, see if I could replace some of my cubes that are warped. But I can't find them. The Jetmax cubes. Maybe they went out of business. Bummer. I know, princess. I'm coming. Alright, anyway. So, alrighty. I must be off looking for something. Alright, so let's just gonna put those layers down. And then I am going to take my circle punch and punch 2 or 3 different circles out of the different papers from the kit. I did from the pink grid pattern, the house pattern, but when I cut from that, punched from that, what's that noise? When I punched from that, I don't know what that noise was. When I punched from that, it was, I made sure I got a duck in there so I can use the cardstock or chipboard sticker. And I ended up having to leave because Theo, of course. So I'm going to use this navy cardstock to mount my photo, and I'm also going to use it for my notebook border punch. He's like, oh, you're not filming anymore. I'm out of here. So the heart layer is also Crepe Paper's Marigold. So is the plaid and the blue floral. Hey, I wonder if the sun is moved enough to have this. Oh, that's right. It makes it so I can't see my screen. So I mess it up, and so I have to cut it and try again because for some reason it's sticking. And so I had to stand up to punch it to get it to cooperate. And so I'm going to put that in place. I got a steamer, McCullough steamer from Amazon. And I'm just looking at the wow, my floor looks so shiny. It's getting clean. I used to literally walk on the floor barefoot and my feet would get be black. And I would mop, but it's like my mopper, my Shark, it's a scrubbing from Shark, and it didn't seem, but every time I mop, my pads for my steamer are nasty. Oh no. Oh man, Coco. You're so blind. Alright, anyway. So there's the cut apart card I cut apart. And so I'm going to use some stickers from Jen Hadfield. And then the chipboard stickers from the Maybe Homes. Here's where I cut my circles. Trying to find a spot where I can punch, and there we go. And have a duck. Here's where I'm going to pull out the chipboards first. And I can use the duck. I think that's a duck. That might be a goose. She's clawing at my drawer and actually taking it. Oh, silly girl. Alright. What are you doing, silly Billy? I completely got my drawer out. Silly girl. Here, go like this in here. Why are you chewing out all the fuzz? Silly girl. Alright, anyway. I also am going to use some die cuts that are Paintbrush Studio Days of Splendor. And then I'm going to use some of the gold. I wasn't sure how I was going to like it, but I actually love how that turned out. I think this is, no, that's the my last layout that I have done. I used the big gold flowers, which I wasn't sure about that one. And it actually turns out I love it. But this one, I do use gold stickers, but it's the, I used those for my title. Remember this? It's the phrase stickers from American Crafts Lovely Thickers. And here we go. And he's back. So I end up, and you can see I got a big holy mess all over my desk. Silly belly. I managed to get a hole in this little guy somehow. How did you manage to get a hole in this poor little fishy? Huh? Alright, so there's the remember this, and then the other one, thought I used another phrase. So here's the Jen Hadfield stickers. And I knew that I wanted gold down there at the bottom since it's at the top, so I put that there. And then I'm going to put down my title. I just have to figure out where do I want it, the top or there. So I mess with it because I'm like, oh, where do I? And then I'm going to use the enamel dots again from Pink Fresh Studios, Let's Stay Home. And then that pretty much completes my layout. So I'll let you go ahead and finish watching. And when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.